morning everyone. Day 2 of our ride. Today we'll be going towards Thane. We'll see if we can cover some interesting spots in between. Planning to go around Statue of Unity, which is a detour of 1.5 hours from Vadodara to Thane. Let's see if time allows. We'll go inside also. Time is not there, then we'll just go around it, have some shots, observe it a little bit, and then move on. Yesterday again I was not able to sleep early and I woke up a little late. I guess doesn't matter how hard I try, I'll never be an early morning person, so there's that. So right now it's 9:45. I woke up around 8 or something. So where I want to go in Thane, I have to reach there by 7 or 8, and if I would have left by 8 or early than that, then I would have reached much earlier, which I don't wanted to do. So I took a little bit rest, slept a little bit more, being a little late. It's 9:46 and it's already hot, sun is up in the sky. Let's see how it will be today. I think it will be even worse than yesterday, because as we'll reach more towards Thane, Mumbai, that area, it will start getting humid also, and if you get stuck in traffic, then voila, it's a proper sauna bath. Nice. Lots and lots of buffalo on the road. Looks like they took a fresh bath. One thing I was observed while riding in Gujrat, the traffic is really slow here compared to Rajasthan. Even on B roads, people drive really fast and rash also sometimes. So here, most of the folks ride at a very decent pace and they don't do much of rash driving, but there's one thing that they don't give much side, even if you're riding a super bike or Mustang, BM, Jag or whatever, because so many people have these premium vehicles here that it's pretty common. They don't give a special attention to such things. So here you have a BMW, you have Maruti Suzuki, you're all gonna drive same, you're all gonna drive at the same pace. Nobody's gonna give side to you.
Wayfaring stranger, traveling through this world of war. There is no sickness, toil nor danger in that bright land to which I go. I'm going.
So guys, what you just saw back there, I think it was Narmada River, and so the Statue of Unity is also on the bank of Narmada River only. I think we are close now. I see the area getting more greener, tall trees, there are a lot of crops here, both sides there are a lot of farms. I think we'll be there in half hour or 1 hour or so. Pretty much smooth till now, not much traffic. Heat is also bearable.
clouds will gather round me, and I know my way is rough and steep, but golden fields stretch out before me, where weary eyes no more will meet. I'm going there to see my father. I'm going there no more to roam. I'm just going over Jordan. I'm just going over home.
हाँ जी, बोलिए।
हाँ सर जी बोलिए।
पता नहीं इन्होंने भेजा मेरे को तो।
आपको वहाँ अंदर पार्किंग करना है?
नहीं, मैं यूनिटी स्टैचू में अंदर नहीं जाऊंगा, वो मैप में बाहर से रोड दिखा रहा है, मैं वहीं से देख बाहर से निकल जाऊंगा।
वैसे में ये बाइक अलाउड नहीं है आगे जाने।
अच्छा, ऐसा क्या?
हाँ इसीलिए।
तो आप रास्ता बताओ, और कोई रास्ता।
रास्ता कुछ नहीं है वहाँ पे, आप पार्किंग कर दो। आपका जो लॉकर है ना, लॉकर भी अंदर है।
नहीं, मेरे को अंदर से स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी अंदर जाना नहीं है उसके।
की बात सही है, पर अंदर जाने के लिए वही रास्ता है जो बस जा रही है ना, बस में जाना है।
अच्छा,
हाँ तो आप ये बाइक और अपना जो सामान है लॉकर में रख दो और टिकट लेके बस में बैठ जाओ, आपको सभी जगह घुमाएंगे। बाइक लेके नहीं जा सकते आप।
नहीं नहीं नहीं, तो और कोई रास्ता नहीं है पीछे से या कोई? मेरे को स्टैचू ऑफ यूनिटी नहीं जाने का है
हाँ।
कि दूर से दिख जाए यूनिटी, बस इतना ही, जैसे एक डैम का।
आगे जाओ, जो दूसरा ऐसा बेरियल आएगा ना,
हाँ हाँ
हाँ तो उससे राइट साइड घुमा लेना। राइट साइड घुमा लेना, ब्रिज पर से आपको स्टैचू यूनिटी दिखाएगा।
हाँ 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 हाँ, इतना ही। वही मेरे को वही स्टैचू नहीं जाना था, इसीलिए, है ना। तो आगे राइट लेना, एक ब्रिज आएगा।
ऐसा बेरियल आएगा ना,
हाँ हाँ।
राइट ले लेना, मैं कॉल कर देता हूँ आगे।
अच्छा, वो डैम के वहाँ निकलेगा क्या?
नहीं बाहर नहीं निकलेगा, वो आपको ब्रिज पे ले जाएगा। ब्रिज से वो सूर्यपाणेश्वर मंदिर है ना,
हाँ हाँ
ले
हाँ।
जाएगा।
अच्छा
झरवानी जाता है, झरवानी भी ले जाएगा आपको।
अच्छा, वहाँ से फिर मेरे को आगे थाने के लिए निकलना है, आगे रोड पे निकल जाएगा वो।
रातीपुरा से निकलेगा ये रास्ता।
हाँ, जहाँ भी निकलेगा निकल।
भरूच जाना है तो वहां से
हाँ,
निकलेगा।
भरूच, हाँ भरूच, हाँ निकल जाएगा ना।
हाँ निकलेगा।
ठीक है, चलो। थैंक यू सर जी।
I'm going there to see my brother. He said he'd meet me
So
when I come.
basically what happened was, if you want to go to Church of Unity, then you cannot take your bike there, so you have to park it. But I am not planning to go inside and visit properly because it will take time. It will at least add on 1.5 to 2 hours. This detour has already added 1.5 hours something, so it will be 3-4 hours. I don't want to do that. So what we will do is, they told there will be another checkpoint, and after that you can take right. I think this is it, and then we just go through a bridge from where we can see the statue from far, and then we'll proceed towards Thane. भरूच के लिए निकलना है, इधर से निकलेगा ब्रिज से। भरूच के लिए निकलना है, इधर ब्रिज से जाएगा ना।
रिटर्न ये रास्ते जी, ओके।
ठीक है, ओके Okay, thank you. Yeah, so that was the checkpoint, and now this is a bridge which will take again on Narmada River. Yep, so this was Statue of Unity, and if you can see how bright it is, at the same level it's hot. Even if I'm on green lush area with a big river, still it's hot. So that was one of the main reason why I did not wanted to go into the statue, because during daytime it's really hot. It's unbearable. If it was evening time when I was arriving here, then it would have been no issues. Now we'll move towards Thane. From here onwards, we're going towards Bharuch now, and there is only one way to Bharuch, and after that it's pretty much straightforward. But while entering into Thane, there are two possible ways. One is through Nashik and one is via North Mumbai, Vapi and all. So before entering that area, I'll have to see where there is less traffic, and according to that, we'll take the routes. All river streams going into Narmada. It's already 11:18. We'll try to cover some distance.
You're gonna need lights to climb a mountain. You gotta keep the light close to you. I'll be the pillar when you're stumbling, and in my arms I'll keep you. I will keep you safe and sound. I will always be around, and I will keep you safe and sound.
I wanted to go to Bharuch and then get to highway, which I don't think would have been like this. But yep, Google chose to take me here to save time. But I don't know what saving is. It's broken my 360 mount. Thank God I saw it just this time when it started hanging onto it. I saw it and I just grabbed it. Otherwise it would have fallen off and maybe damaged the lens also of 360. So yep, more loss than gain. Let's see how long it goes. It's mostly this route only. till around Vapi, I think. Vapi or Surat. And we'll have to see till how long it will be like this only. Things you face if I don't trip. Gotta be ready for everything.